Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing gear and choosing your initial routes. Equip a fast ship and a fruit detector to spot ores quickly. You want a stat loadout that prioritizes mobility and damage to clear mobs fast, and bring healing items for sustain. Once done, sail to early islands with frequent ore spawns and follow patrol routes. This reduces downtime and maximizes node encounters. Make sure to prioritize nodes near quest hubs so you can farm while progressing. Now you scale up. Run farming rotations between 3 to 5 islands on a 10 to 15-minute cycle so nodes respawn by the time you return. You should coordinate with teammates. One spotter scans the map, grinders clear mobs, and looters grab ores. This division speeds runs dramatically. Also invest currency into better tools and temporary boosts or redeemable codes to raise drop rates, because higher efficiency per run is the key to exponential ore accumulation as you progress. To finish strong, consolidate gains. Bank or sell ores frequently to avoid inventory caps and wasted pickups. Once you've cleared your planned islands, adjust routes if a hotspot dries up or server population changes. Flexibility keeps throughput high. If something goes wrong, you stop finding ores or tools fail, relog or switch servers, and verify your detector settings. Often the fix is simple. Finally, review your timing windows and group roles to steadily improve yield over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.